Hello, Hammad.
Hi, how are you?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, should we start?
Yeah, I think so. We are good to go.
Yeah. So, welcome everyone. Hope that you are doing well. Let me just introduce myself. My name is Nadia. I'm working as project manager in Ideology since 3 years. Ideology is a company that is engaged in research and development in the field of blockchain, quantum computing, artificial intelligence, gaming, and also metaverse. Today, we have this space to talk more about idea project for this quarter too, and to discover more about our project like Manialands, Idea Network, and the other project that we have. Also we have with us Hammad today. He's the co-founder of Idea. Welcome, Hammad, and thank you to be with us today.
Thank you very much. And thank you very much, Nadia. Thank you very much, community, for having trust on Ideology, because this is a basic asset for us. And I'm very happy and gladly able to share a lot of updates for our upcoming products. And in this Twitter space, you will hear a lot of good news from us. And I have a lot of updates. That's why I'm so anxious, and I can't wait to tell you guys more about our products. Thank you specifically, Nadia, for having me here.
Yeah. Thanks, Hammad. Thanks. Hammad, can you introduce Ideology to our audience and explain Idea missions and goals, please?
Yeah, I think so. Like every time we commence, and we start with our vision, and like I would say, it won't be the exaggeration of words if I would say the vision of specifically our CEO Khalid Al-Kabani is like solving the existing problems into the world, into the existing domains. If we talk about fintech world, if we talk about sustainability, as we were in the conference, or we talk about the other technological problems. So the vision is to solve the problems of the existing world by bringing innovations and new technologies. As you can derive this vision from our name, Ideology, a study of studies of new ideas. So if you talk about our long vision, we have this vision to solve the existing or upcoming problems of the world by new technologies. Right now, if you talk about the mission, we are specifically solving the problems of fintech world, problems of entertainment world with the I would say with decentralized approach, with artificial intelligence, with quantum computing. So this is our short-term vision right now. For this vision, I'm here to explain about our our upcoming launch. We are coming up with a lot of I would say like mind-blowing projects. We are going to live as we promised with the community in our roadmap, that what we will do in this year. Because if you ask to me, the biggest concerns we have, because Ideology believe in clarity, Ideology believe in transparency. So our biggest concern is like our audience, our community, our stakeholders, our investors should have trust in us. That's why at every quarter we do some kind of Twitter space. We post where we are so far. At every year we post that what we will be doing in this year. I think so this is a very unique approach of Ideology to make a transparent project, because a lot of Ponzi schemes and a lot of, I would say, just claim-oriented projects are going on into the crypto industry or into the fintech industry, I would say. But Ideology believe in transparency. So that's why I think so. This is enough answer to your question, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, thanks, Hammad, for your answer. Can you provide an overview about the main products and services that Ideology offer?
Yeah, like if you say about services and products, we have a vast number of the products in our basket. Some are already launched, some are going to be launched, some are under our vision and will be launched soon. So we are into metaverse, we are into quantum computing, we are into gaming industry. I will mention uh, and I will initiate something about our metaverse product today. We are building a complete independent, robust, fast network, which is EVM based, and like that we are coming with a different approach. Moreover, if you will say, if you will talk about our fintech and enterprise level product, then I think so. In this year or from last year, you will not find any product which is complete, innovative, enterprise as work as pro. I would say this is an innovation into the world of freelancing, into the world of payment systems, into the world of where people, into the world of service provision on. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, yes, Hamad, thank you so much. Now we will talk more about metaverse, about Manialands. So, can you share the range of metaverse experience available in Manialands and how they contribute an engaging user experience?
Yeah, I think so. Like I won't say the name because it's official space, and I like my concern is our vision is not to criticize, but if we see the existing projects of metaverse, our entertainment industry, our gaming industry, which is connected with the decentralized systems, then we feel there is a gap which cannot be which was not be, I think so, filled by bringing some kind of distributed computing behind the games. So I'm very glad, and I think so, like we can proudly say that we came up with the complete solution of metaverse, which is having a complete experience, which is having a complete range of innovation, which is having complete range of entertainment with distributed security, as we talk about blockchain, with complete fintech ecosystem where investors can earn, where a complete payment system is integrated, and I would say that a vast options and vast controls are available, which are not available into the existing metaverse. So as co-founder, I can proudly say that only this metaverse is a complete metaverse where you can buy NFTs, sell NFTs, and what you can do, like there is a complete gaming arena there where shooting games and multiple player virtual multiplayering is there, chatting system is there, payment systems are there, and you can talk about what we say, the collections and collectibles of NFT. Though the complete solution, which was not existing into the industry of metaverse, was there. So I'm very happy and glad to announce that we are at Verge. It's going to be live, and the world will see a new innovation into the world of metaverse.
Very interesting. Thanks, Hamad. Okay, so as an investor, how can I invest in Manialands and what opportunities does it offer for return on investment?
Okay, so if you talk specifically as an investor, and I'm considering an investor which is sitting on a seat, he doesn't want to experience anything. Like as we talk about the business people, they just want to earn something from Manialand. So I think so that's the right place, because you will have a lot of opportunities for specifically earning. If we talk about purchasing NFTs, if we talk about that invest in our mini games, if we talk about a return oriented system, or you will say that if you want to use Moneyland as a payment gateway where you want to receive, or you can where you want to receive or send any kind of digital assets, or I would say that suppose like if specifically I'm talking about the crux of any metaverse. So I think so. Moneyland is coming up with the renting the land. Manialand is coming up where you can invest for long term into our assets, into our mini games, into our land. You can purchase the NFTs which will be used for in future development, and you don't touch our ecosystem, but you invest it. And for long term, short term, as you know that crypto industry is very volatile, you will learn a lot. So as in crux, if we point out, you can buy NFT, you can invest in our mini games, you can invest in by giving your assets on rent. So all opportunities you have in Moneyland, you can use it as a payment system, like instantaneous and spontaneous payment gateway is integrated with that. So I think so. This is an enough opportunity for investor for investing and taking profit out of our ecosystem of Manialand. Because if I will say ecosystem of ideology, it's very vast.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Hammad. How can I earn from Manialands if I'm like neither an investor or developer or an artist? Like, how can I earn from Manialands? Can you please give us this information?
Yeah, like now here we are classifying between an investor and earner. Like this classification, I would say, like if you come up without investing anything or without you just came to experience, is Manialand is profitable for you? I think the answer is yes.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. Because Manialand came up where an artist, where a developer, where an investor, where a simple gamer, anybody can earn. Can, if you are skillful, you can have money, you can earn from this system. You just need to interact with it. Like, let me give you examples. If you are a gamer, you can play games here and you can earn from here. Okay, now if like there are a lot of games inside the Manialand where you can earn points and you can redeem those points into an idea token, and you know that idea token is a token which is listed in top exchanges of the world. So I think so, like it's a very unique point. Like you come, play, earn from. You can sell NFTs. If you are artist, you can share your collectibles and you can earn from that. I think so for investors, I told and I explained, I think so a lot in last question, that how you can earn from this. Moreover, we have a referral system. We have an engagement program as well. So by both systems, you will be able to earn a lot. So for marketers, for digital marketers, for gamers, for investors, for artists and developers. Like if you are developer and you want to integrate any game with the complete what I would say that with the payment gateway, then Manialand is I think so the best option, where you will have a transparency in earning, where you will have instantaneous payment system, and you will be integrated with the community, which is 24/7 live into the metaverse. So this is an opportunity for all.
Thank you so much, Hammad, for your answer. Can you please describe the main key features of Manialands?
Yeah, sure. So if you say like main key feature, although like I can mention infinite features of Manialand, as I was mentioning about gaming, NFTs and all, but specifically if you say like what is making the difference, and I would say which is not available into the existing metaverses. So I think so Manialand is having first AI based metaverse game NFT marketplace platform to buy, sell, and games opportunity to sell, where you can buy, sell games and anything. And moreover, I'm specifically not specifically games, but also collectible kind of things, where you have a land builder tool which you can use, and you can rent land as well. Moreover, if you so like as I mentioned about the referral program in my last answer. So you have we have games ambassador program as well. We have a complete chat system inside the system. So by these things, I think so it's making unique. If you on table, if you bring on table Maniland with the existing metaverse products and projects, so I think so it is making Maniland unique, and I think so well equipped ecosystem by comparing with others.
Very interesting. I'm really excited to see Manialands live.
Yeah, sure. And you will be hearing soon, because it's already done, and I think so. Like for me, as in crypto industry, we say that NFTs as an artwork. For me, Manialand as a product, it's not a product; it's an art which is done by by I would say that very skillful and hardworking employees of Ideaology. So you should see this as an art.
Yeah. Let's see. So, Hammad, I think that we have talked a lot about Manialands.
Yeah.
Let's skip now to the famous network. So, what type of network is Ideology launching, and how it will be benefit to Ideology community?
Yeah, I would say, like, I'm very happy to share this, and like I would say that this is an addition into the existing crypto industry, and that was requirement because as Ideaology was having a lot of products, and those products were running on different networks. So our community, our stakeholders, our investors and audience were always asking that why not a complete network which belongs to Ideaology. And if you see that bringing a token and bringing a complete network, both are having a different game and different vision. So then after, like, Mr. Khalid Al-Kabani's vision was that a low fee fast network should be given to our community. Why, when I say low fee fast network, like in community people claim that this network is specifically designed for gaming, this network is specifically designed for payment gateways, but something should be specifically designed for metaverse, because you need to achieve a specific threshold of transactions. And this is a thing which Ideaology is bringing. We name it Idea 3.0 network, where our networks and everything will be deployed. Our products will also be deployed with them. Our payment gateways will be integrated with that. But it's an innovation, I think so. Like, it will be faster than the existing networks. This is also supporting EVM systems. This will also support bridging system, and our product will be integrated with that. So, like, this is a new thing which is coming up with the new Explorer, with the new features into the existing running networks, and we are also supporting Solidity for the developments. And it's going to be live. It's a very, I would say, that unique network coming up into the world, with the better speed, with the optimized network, no downtime, and like even not only Ideaology but other products can also be developed and integrated with that.
Very interesting. So for this quarter, Hammad, we have Manialands, and also we will have Idea Network, and also our community are asking for the crypto career list for Work as Pro. So what are the new features of this model, like how it will work?
Okay, first of all, like, one more thing, like one thing you missed, Nadia, which is our world first IDO wallet. Initial DEX offering wallet is a unique innovation which ideology is bringing into the world. Like if you ask to me, still these existing pads are not capable enough to for fundraisings and capital raising. But ideology is coming up with that. This is like, we will have a complete separate session for this product, because this is an innovation. And community should not forget about, like, community will not forget, but this is going to be the future, when the first IDEO based wallet will be will be available for the community, where people can invest, people can raise, people can invest in new opportunities, companies can come and register and raise funds, and people will have, and it's a non-custodial wallet. What it means that it's 100% decentralized network wallet for the community. This is also a part of the plan of Idealogy. We will give the dates and everything later, but I think so this is an innovation which is another innovation which Idealogy is doing for their community, for their audience, for their stakeholders, and I think so. And this is a piece of accomplishment for the vision of Idealogy, that solving existing problems of the world by bringing the new technologies. Okay, now I think so. I was completely distracted from from your question.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah,
because I was really missing the idea, so thanks.
Yeah. But I was distracted from your question as well. So if you talk about this specific crypto carrier list, I would say that this is a basically bridge between different domains. If we say domains are I would say that different categories. As we talk about, this is a bridge between blockchain developers, artists, consultants, and companies. Like if suppose any job is for a blockchain developer, or any specific job available, then companies can interact with our system, and this system will be integrated with their CRMs and HRMs, and they can get resumes and whatever we talk. So this is a completely, like I would say that a complete plugin which is bridging between companies and resources. Like company needs resources, and resources need opportunities. So this bridge will basically make a connection between both, like between artists, fields, and companies, and technically that it will be connected with their tools, as we talk about the human resource management tools, our client, our CRM. So both. So I think so. It's a very unique innovation of Work as Pro, that it will be integrated with the systems.
Yeah. Thank you, Hammad, for providing these details. So how does Ideaology prioritize the security and scalability for their projects?
When we talk about decentralization, or we talk about blockchain, so basically this word was the answer of the existing problems into the centralized world. Security concerns, like instead of spending millions and billions and trillions of the dollars for making a system which would be still centralized and at a certain point can be breached or hacked. So and you're relying and trusting and investing your I would say the trucks of money. Then decentralization, zero trust system come, like where mathematically things will be proven, like security will not be proven at a base of trust, but at a base of I would say mathematics. And when we talk about this, then scalability comes as a problem. As you know, like centralized systems are far more faster than the existing decentralized system. So we prioritize, whenever we try to launch any system, we prioritize that We should have a zero trust system, no security breach should come, and scalability will also be achieved. As we are talking about Manialand, you will see into the existing metaverse projects that some are having a lot of delays, some are declining, some are uh, like what I would say that some are having scalability problems. That's why they run into the bits and pieces. And about, if we talk about the security is, I would say, the universal question for all, which is solved by the decentralization. So if you are having work as pro, which is completely decentralized, audited system, then it means that we achieve the security and scalability. Because if we talk about Manialand, same goes with it. Scalability answer is our Idea 3.0 network. Like when this will come, then things will be changed, because we are achieving the scalability, we are achieving the speed with it, with the full security and auditability. So that's the thing which Idealogy is going to do.
Exactly. Thank you, Hammad, for your answer. So, how can the community get involved and support Ideology projects?
Yeah, this is a very nice question. We when we say that support Ideology as a project, then you are supporting future. And like, if you talk about, and if you are supporting future and you are future oriented person, you will not be in a loss. Because if you see yesterday from now, then you are in profit in now. I'm talking about, not only talking about in crypto, I'm talking about stocks, I'm talking about financial worlds. Like, if you see that yield is going up, so what it means, like, if in any way you can support, if you are at our Twitter, if you are supporting our project, if you are investing in Ideology token, because we are not only a people who wants that you should buy our token, we want that you should use our product. When you will use our product, you will get the utility. When you will get the utility, this is a real support. So this is like, I would say that my application to the people, that we came up with the work as pro, use it. We came up with Manialand, use it, compare it, and then when you will do both things, then you will understand that where Ideology and technology is standing right now. So if you want to support us, yeah, buy token, whatever you do, it's your, for your investment is okay, but invest in our products. Go to Manialand, buy our land, go to work as pro, post your companies, post your job as a freelancer, or as an employee. Show your skill as a freelancer, what you can do. Go on work as pro, tell to the people. This is a synergy, and it will be beneficial not only for us but for you as well. It's a unilateral relation where we both are supporting each other. Investors will get gains, freelancers will get products, gamers will earn money. In this way, as an ecosystem, we will run.
Yeah, this is very good answer. Thank you so much. So now I have a question to you. Okay, so what future trends in blockchain and metaverse and freelancer platforms do you see, and how does Ideology plan to adapt it?
Like, Ideology believe in giving answer in I would say that in a actionable way. We don't claim, but we do work as well. Future of blockchain is reality. Future, like, if blockchain would be able to be eliminated from the system, I think so everybody tried, but you cannot do this because it's an innovation. Okay, and credit goes to Satoshi, and the Ideology project credit goes to Khalid Al-Kabani. Metaverse is also an innovation where virtual reality is we cannot deny this. Every company is, like Vision Pro is an innovation. Gaming, if you see gaming from yesterday, like when I talk about yesterday, I'm talking about last decade now, how it was evolved. And like, I think so, but then you will see that these are realities, we accept it or not. For freelancers as well, like, this freelancing system, from interviews, from seeking a jobs from a newspaper to going at a freelancer's platform like Work as Pro. This is an innovation. This is a paradigm shift which is happening. So I think so, like it's going to be happen now, and nobody can stop it, nobody can deny it, nobody can say that this is not a future. But if you say that ideology plan, then it won't be the exaggeration of words if we say that ideology is well equipped for future. If you see our products of this year, you will see that we are more advanced than time. What other existing companies are thinking, we are implementing that. So we have a plan for new technologies. As we came up with the Manialands, we came up with the Idea 3.0 network, we came up with the, I'm talking about only this year, and we came up with the Idea wallet, and Work as Pro edition of this career list. You can see that this is an innovation. So as a product, if you see, as a plan, if you see that Ideology is on right track with the well-equipped and well-resourced company, what I would say, that we are well-resourced and well-equipped for upcoming future.
Very interesting. Yeah. So what do you think, Hammad, if we will take some question from comment section, if someone has a question?
Yeah, sure, Nadia.
Maybe.
Yeah. Just let me know, and what community is asking, so for sure we'll do.
If someone has a question.
Hello?
Yes, Hammad. I think no, so
I think so, it's good.
yeah.
Anyhow, whatever question people can leave as comment, and we will get back to
Yeah, exactly. So before the closure of this space, Hammad, there anything else that you would like to share with our audience about Ideology future plans?
Yeah, like I would say that stay in touch with Ideology. We don't only claim, but we build the product. You should see our performance in last year. You should see our roadmap in last year. We are at track. We are working very hard because we believe more than anything the community's trust, stakeholders believe in us, and is a big thing. And we never wanted to disappoint them. So I think so. Compare with other projects, that what Ideology is doing, make a sheet and see what we have done and what others. So you will see that future Ideology is having, and you will see if you will count on a paper with the graph. That I think so. If you are with Ideology, it means that you are with the time.
Exactly. I agree 100%. So thank you so much, Hammad. Thanks for sharing these details with our community. It was a great space, and see you soon. If you have something to add it, just...
Thank you very much. Thank you, community. And like we are very happy that we to launch Manialand, and stay in touch with us and see what we have done for you guys.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.